Did you know? This iconic Jamaican landmark is steeped in history. In 1657, it was the battleground for the dramatic Battle of Los Carreras, where Spanish and English forces fiercely clashed for control of the island. The English emerged victorious, claiming both the falls and the island. The Spaniards, who had named the area Las Carreras, meaning the waterfalls, were defeated. Under British rule, this area was first owned by Sir Charles Price, the first baronet of Jamaica from 1708 to 1772. Over time, it became part of the expansive 276-acre Belmont estate. In 1972, the government of Jamaica snapped it up, transforming it into the vibrant park we love today. Today, Dunn's River Falls stands as a monument to Jamaica's storied past and natural splendor, drawing visitors from around the world. As you explore this historic site, ask yourself, what other secrets of history are hidden within these waters?